The most common rental repair costs. Marketplace homes. If you're a landlord, knowing the most common home repairs and their costs will help you be financially prepared throughout the year. This data will help you know what to expect when you get a text or call from your tenants. The most common problems with rental homes and what they cost. Plumbing issues. HVAC problems. Pest problems. Appliance issues. General contractor fixes. 1. General contractor fixes. Elements of the home that general contractors fix make up a lion's share of rental maintenance issues, but you can decrease your chance of encountering big repairs when you buy the right property and maintain it. Dud outlet, $240 $290. Broken door, $120 $500. Broken window, $500. Lockouts, $50 $200. Flooring repair, $375. Prevention tip. A good home inspector can spot the big problems general contractors fix before you even purchase it. 2. Plumbing issues. This broad category includes everything from not enough hot water to clogged pipes. Leaky pipes, $150 $300. Leaky faucet, $125 $426. Water heater malfunction, $221 $978. Water, sewer backup, $400 $800. Broken garbage disposals, $100 $250. Prevention tip. DIY work with a plunger can work in many adverse situations, which makes it a good idea to provide each tenant with a basic plumbing emergency kit, which includes a drain snake, plunger, and visual aid to show where the main water shutoff valve is located. 3. HVAC issues. During winter, HVAC issues like lack of heat are frequently reported, while in summer, complaints about no AC are common. HVAC repair, $150 $2,000. The range for average HVAC repair costs is wide because the type of home and its location determines what system is in place. Prevention tip. Schedule HVAC system servicing every 6 months, preferably at the beginning of spring and fall, to prevent problems and spot minor issues before they escalate. 4. Appliance issues. From broken dishwashers to noisy fridges and leaky washers, dealing with appliance repairs is a frequent task in rental properties. Typical appliance repair cost, $175, but a range between $50 $500 is possible. Typical appliance replacement cost, $500 $2,000, with many variations depending on appliance type, quality, features, and more. Prevention tip. Routine servicing is crucial in between leases and lease renewals. 5. Pest problems. Termites, ants, roaches, and rodents can cause extensive and costly damage to your rental property. Preventative treatments, $50 $75. Typical pest control visit, $250 $675. Cockroach extermination, $8,000. Damage control tip. If you or your tenant begins noticing pests or signs of pests, such as droppings or damage, it's important that you handle the issue immediately.